Elmo really wants to play basketball.
Yes, Elmo does.
But look at Elmo. He's waiting in a calm way. So he's showing...
Patience.
That's it, man. There you go.
Good.
All that patience paid off, so now we can go play.
Oh, boy, Elmo's so excited, Mr. Zach. Yeah!
So am I, man. Let's go do this thing.
Yeah!
Wait a second. Would you guys mind waiting up for me a few minutes? I gotta go get some air.
What?
Bounce, bounce, bounce,
Yo,
bounce.
Hey, where you going? Come back, man. We really wanted to play.
Look, Mr. Zach, remember the word of the day. Patience.